The plant pictured here is a species of Hosta, commonly known as Hosta. Hosta grows in clumps, and these clumps can be anywhere from 6 inches to 3 feet tall. There are many Hosta cultivars and hybrids out in the landscape, and so there's a lot of variety in size, leaf color, leaf shape, etc. So, for example, in this picture, there's 5 different types of hostas. Can you find them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see, even in just this one picture, we have quite a variety in size of the hostas and also in leaf shape and color. Typically, hostas are going to have an ovate to lanceolate leaf shape, and they are going to have a cordate leaf base, so they tend to look heart-shaped. Now, one other very distinct trait of hosta is the venation. If you'll hearken back in your memory to the genus Cornus, when we covered Cornus Florida, we discussed arcuate venation, and that's what we have here in the hosta as well. Now, as I already mentioned, there are endless hosta cultivars out in the landscape. If you really want to learn more about them, you can look at the Hosta Growers Association website or the American Hosta Society, but there are hundreds, maybe thousands. So the leaves can be a variety of colors, they can be variegated, they can be glossy, they can be smooth, they can be puckered. They are always going to have an entire leaf margin, so that will help. Here you can see both the leaf of a hosta and the scape of a hosta, which is the flowering stalk, which comes straight out of the ground. And you'll notice that the petiole of the hosta leaf is quite long and it's grooved. We refer to it as canaliculate. The whole thing looks sort of like a large spoon, and I'm sure there's a botanical term for that, but I actually don't know it. So if you find it, let me know. The flowers of hosta grow on scapes that rise above the foliage. They're campanulate in shape, and they're typically white, light purple, or pink. You can also see in this picture there are bracts subtending each flower. So here are an example of some of the light purple type flowers of hosta. And then often you will, after the flowers are done, get the development of fruits, like this green capsule pictured here, but it's not very ornamental. Mostly hostas are grown, as you might assume, for the foliage. So with that, we'll conclude our discussion of the genus Hosta, commonly known as Hosta.